Hi friend, I hope you enjoy my videos and enhance your knowledge. I try to give my best. So next topic related to geometry. In front of you, you look here. The question is find the ratio of the area of a small circle to that of the semicircle. That means this is a semicircle and this is a small circle. Then we find out area of a small circle divided by this semicircle. So you having questions, and again we solve these questions as like this, and you having the questions, and this is a very interesting questions. You have naming A, B, C. OABC is also square. That means this is OA equals to capital R, that means semicircle radius capital R, and we draw like this. Then OABC having their diagonal OB. Diagonal equals to what? OB is a diagonal, and you know that square diagonal equals to what? Root 2 multiply side. So this is also R, BC equals to also R, and AB equals to also R, because this is a square and this side R, that is a radius of semicircle, and this is also R. So OB equals to what? OB equals to, this is a diagonal OB of this square, then root 2 multiply side, side equals to R. This is your questions. So here this small circle having also radius smaller, this is smaller, and these also made a square. Notice this is also a square, so we naming that PQ. That means O dash PBQ is a square, so this side equals to also R, this side equals to also R, and O dash B equals to what? O dash B equals to also diagonal of a small circle, then it having also root 2 multiply side smaller, and we take a point M. So what is MB equals to? MB equals to MO dash plus OB O dash B. That means MB equals to what? MO dash equals to R plus O dash B equals to diagonal. You having this root 2 R, we modified at R common, then 1 plus root 2. This is MB, and also this is first equation we taking, and also you have MB equals to what? OB minus OM, because if you find interest to find out MB, then you have OB, this is diagonal of this big square, minus OM. So MB equals to OB minus OM. So you have what is OB? OB equals to root 2 capital R, sorry, this is capital OB, capital side R. So root 2 capital R minus OM, also having what? Small R. So this is OB diagonals and OM radius. So what? R equals to root 2 minus 1. This is second equation. MB equals to, so MB equals to this and MB equals to also this, then first equation equals to second, we write down. So what will become? This will is equals to R in simple bracket root 2 plus 1 equals to capital R root 2 minus 1, then small r equals to what? R root 2 minus 1 divided by root 2 plus 1, and if you modified it, then you got rationalize it, minus 1 divided by root 2 minus 1. So you got R equals to capital R 3 minus 2 root 2. This is your small value of this circle, small radius. So question is saying that area of small circle, then area ratio is equals to area of a small circle divided by area of semicircle. This is area of semicircle, area of semicircle. Then what you got? That means pi r square. This is small circle having pi r square, and semicircle equals to what? Semicircle having what? Half, because this is semicircle, then half pi capital R square. This cancel out, then you got 2 small r divided by capital R. And the next page we conclude that what to multiply this is smaller having small value, then mean capital R square 3 minus 2 root 2 whole square divided by capital R square, and this is cancel out and you got solve it. Then 2 in simple bracket 17 minus 12 root 2. This is your answer. The answer is small area of small circle divided by area of semicircle. You got this, and this is the small circle radius, and you find out this. So this is not more complicated, this is easy, but some calculated portion and tricky. So thank you, you enjoy it.